Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me as I share some of the goodies and gifts and things that I've received in the post over the last month. As it happens, this weekend I'm with my team. We have our big annual team retreat this weekend, and so we're all together in a hotel in Birmingham. So I've filmed this a couple of days beforehand, so I've got all sorts of goodies to show you. I've got a box full of stuff. And these came in the post from the lovely Nicola, who makes the most amazing handmade socks. And they are just gorgeous. And I asked her if she would make some for my husband, Chris. And he works night shifts as well as day shifts, long, long hours, and he's out and about in the cold. And so I said, can you make me some socks for him? And they're just gorgeous. But I did have them. I have a special box that sits in my office, which is where all of the things that come in the post, they sit there waiting for me to film them, and the cats kept trying to get at them, so I had to go and put them in a drawer. But I love them. Isn't she talented? I cannot knit a thing. I can knit a hole, that's about a lot, but I just think they're gorgeous. So they are for him. And then I had this in the post from the lovely Dagmar. She's one of my German demonstrators, and she said that she saw this, and as soon as she saw it, she knew it was for me. What amused me is that it's from the UK, and it's obviously been exported out to Germany, and she sent it back to me, but it's full of lovely chocolate sweets. Sorry, German chocolates rather, and I love these ones. I'm always very happy when these arrive in the post. So it's all about the rainbow, and the beautiful rainbow on this card as well, so just gorgeous. I'm a very lucky girl. And then I've got more rainbows here. This is from Anna, who's also in my team out in Germany, and from Vanessa, also in my team in Germany. So I have, I think probably 8, 9, maybe 10 demonstrators in my direct team who are over in Germany, and they're expanding their teams as well. And then I think I've got 3 or 4 in Austria. I think I've got 3 direct in France, but obviously I do have one lady in my team who's got a team of about 100 over in France. And the Netherlands, I think I've got about 6 or 7 demonstrators in my team there, and lots and lots and lots in the UK. So yeah, so it was quite funny timing to get 3 literally a day or so apart from the German girls. Just gorgeous. This is from Gail. So these ladies were cashing in vouchers, so I love to spoil my team and give them vouchers for recognition, for rewards, for sales and things like that, and they were all cashing in vouchers. And when they put them back in the post to me, they send me stuff, cards with them. Then I have these, and I've managed to get them back off the boys. So Jenny, I share her stuff. She sends me stuff all of the time. And if you saw my video a few weeks ago that was sharing the, it was a chocolate box, and I've held on to one of these that's still got a chocolate bar in, and said that they were for Galaxy chocolate bars, and that you can buy them in packs of 4. And so she's made 4 for my boys, but I did say to one of them, please don't eat it. Let me just have it back and so I can show you. So she made me the 4 boxes for the boys, and Chris and I might possibly have eaten the yummy chocolates that were inside the other box. So there were a trio of green and black chocolates in there. They were lovely, and then the matching card as well. So it was just really lovely. And oh, that one's got a chocolate bar in as well. Or maybe both Luke and Jack let me hang on to the chocolates for them. I will pass them on, I promise, Jenny. But she's always so lovely. She always sends me something for the boys. This also came in the post. This is from Tina, who sent me a really lovely message in it. She knew I needed a little bit of a pick-me-up, and it just popped. It arrived in the post out of the blue with the most beautiful message inside. And I know I say this kind of every time I do one of these videos, but seriously, never underestimate the power of a handmade card with a beautiful sentiment inside. And it was just lovely. And I actually, Tina will be with me this weekend, so the 3 of the girls from overseas are flying over, so I get to give her a big hug and squish in person. Right, what else have I got over here? So I've got a little mixture here. So I've got this one. This is the card that came with the socks from Nicola. So she made me this. Isn't that gorgeous? I kind of want to know what that paper is. I need to know what paper that is. I recognise these. These were our candy dots. Those, we had them years ago. They were sort of like a matte finish on the embellishments. Gorgeous. Who's this one from? Ah, this is a thank you for a gift. Thank you. So this is from one of my lovely customers who popped this in the post to me, and she made an envelope for it. Just love that. And then this. So right, a while ago, after my incentive trip, I showed you the beautiful rainbow bag that Sophie had given me. She's one of my French team and she is coming over as well this weekend. And she made me a special card to go with it. And I forgot to move it from one part of my office into that box, but I'm now showing it. And it's very Sophie style, just gorgeous. And then, I've got a couple more here from Nicola. These were regarding something else. So I had quite a bit of post from Nicola this month. Beautiful cards. Love them. Just love them. I love that embossing folder. And then in here, I've got now, so this one is Astrid. So Astrid is one of my Austrian team. And she sent me this when she was cashing vouchers. And she'd found this beautiful pen as well. And it's, well, I thought it was a pen, but I don't think it is. I think it's a foam dabber doodah. Let's have a look. Oh, it is. It's a phone thingy. That's really cool. Let's have a look at what the weather is in Austria. That is really clever. On the 11th of September, the weather is 23 degrees over there. I don't know what it is here. What's I'm Oxford Gardens? That's Owen's Gardens. 22 degrees, a little tad warmer than this. That's really clever. I thought it was a pen. It's not, it's a thingy pen. Awesome. And then finally, who's this one come from? This is Kathy, who was cashing in some vouchers as well. So it's lovely to see all these incredible cards and creations made with our stuff, things that we have. And they all look so different, don't they? Just gorgeous and beautiful. And chocolates and rainbows. The girls know I love a rainbow. Look at that one. There's vellum on this one. I don't know if you can see it. Actually, I think that might be a vellum tape. Ooh, Anna. I'm going to have to check that out. But that's annaspaperbox.de. That's .de. I'm going to have to check that out. But yeah, the rainbow's going on. And my rainbow cup. I'm going to use this now. It's sat in my box for a couple of weeks waiting for me to film it. But anyway, thank you to everybody who's put stuff in the post for me. I just love it. And yeah, like I say, I'm with my team this weekend. I'm sure we're having a good time. At 7 o'clock in the morning, I probably am right in the middle of doing setup. And if you could see the pile of boxes to my right hand side of what I've got taking, oh, do you know what? If I could detach my camera. This is all the stuff. Oh, the lighting's not so brilliant. This is all of the stuff that's coming with me. Anyway, I'm going to bring you back onto here. And I'll say thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.